us a huge thumbs up.
Yeah.
The puppy is behind us sleeping. I'll show you.
Yeah.
She's right here sleeping.
Today we're making puppet chocolate.
Clean puppets, which is these are already clean because we already cleaned them. And my rainbow one. It looks so cool because it has every single rainbow. It looks like a real rainbow.
It's like having a rainbow.
We're going to make a chocolate rainbow and then a chocolate star.
Let's get started.
We need M&Ms and chocolate. But since we already opened the M&Ms, I'm sorry guys, but we just really wanted the M&Ms. There's not really enough. Get that, Millie. You can eat that one. Eat that one, Millie. Now we're gonna get the pockets. The M&Ms are in there. I just don't want to shake them because they might fall off. Looks like we're not going to have enough M&Ms. I need more. Now we have to melt the chocolate. I'll put the chocolate over my face first.
It
Right,
looks
there's that. This is hard. This harder than the other ones.
I can't.
This one is the strongest. That one was really strong, guys.
I
Now
can't
the
do
chocolate.
chocolate.
Puppy wants to see. Here's some wedge. It's like no. She's so happy.
The chocolate.
Which is she loves chocolate, but she loves stealing stuff from us. And this dog is a fighter. Do you know that, guys? So we melted the chocolate. We're gonna fill it up, guys. On this one. Yeah, done. Boom.
Have to freeze it for 24 hours.
Guys, this is gonna look beautiful. Let's see one more tip.
So one more tip.
It's been a couple hours later, so I think this is ready. Do you think this is ready, guys?
Yes.
Because it looks all melted and we've been like really wanted to do this now, but yeah, we did it now. So and now let look, guys. This one is a Papa chocolate.
Hi, I got these.
Guys, look. Guys, they're both chocolate. For yellows.
Yellows.
Thank you for watching, guys. This was an awesome video. See you guys.